Hey everyone, you're watching Whaler. Today I'll show you how to fix sites not working on Windows 10. First, search for proxy. Go to proxy settings. Make sure it's turned off. Definitely. If that's off, try internet settings next. Click change adapter settings. Select your adapter, then properties. Choose IPv4, use DNS settings, and enter 8.8.8.8. 4. Click OK, then test it. If that fails, open CMD and type ipconfig/flushdns or just /flushdns. There. No slash at the start, by the way. This was Whaler. Hope this helped. See you later.